In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom object visible under the app launcher in Salesforce in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Salesforce account. It's always good to make sure you're using the appropriate login credentials to access the necessary settings and options within your organization's setup. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to the setup page. By clicking on it, you'll open the Advanced Setup section, where you can access a wide range of configuration options for your Salesforce environment. Now, in the Setup search bar, you'll want to type Object Manager. Once you're there, search for your desired custom object. Click on that custom object and then navigate to the Details tab. It's important to verify that your deployment status reads as deployed. This ensures that your custom object is ready to be utilized within your application. Also, double-check the permissions to confirm that they've been correctly granted for your object. The next step involves creating a new custom tab. Navigate back to Setup and search for tabs. Here, you'll create a new custom object tab by simply following the prompts. Pay attention to the fields you need to fill out, as it helps Salesforce place this custom object within your interface systematically. After your custom tab is created, it is vital to assign this newly created tab to the Lightning app. You can do this by going into the App Manager. Here, find your desired app, click on Edit to modify it, and then go to Navigation Items. This is where you'll add your custom tab to make sure it's available to the users of this Lightning app. While you're doing all of this, it's crucial to ensure the right profiles or permission sets have the necessary read access to your custom object. This authority grants your team the capability to view and interact with the custom tab you've just added. Verify their permissions to avoid any access issues down the road. Finally, once all these steps have been completed, head over to your app launcher to see the custom object displayed. It should now appear, allowing you and your team to efficiently access and utilize it as part of your Salesforce operations. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to make a custom object visible under the app launcher in Salesforce. Keep exploring the settings and interfaces, ensuring all components are aligned with your organizational needs. With these proficient steps, managing your Salesforce environment should become a smoother and more intuitive experience.